Hello viewers, hello to Abersoch. I've been told off for saying Abersoch. My sister doesn't like that, it's not the right way of saying it. So it's Abersoch is the proper saying. Anyway, we've rebuilt the engine as you can see, right? And we're about to start it up. We've churned it over, we haven't got any oil pressure, but we've primed everything though. So it should be okay. Anyway, there you go. As you know, it's had a new liner in it, new rings, all sorts of bits and bobs. And today we've got something very special for you as well. We've got the Wing Commander on the tractor there. So anyway, okay, Wing Commander, fire it up. Wow, sounds like a new pin. Okay, that sounds lovely. Gonna stop it though. Okay, so in the next episode we will see the front axle back on it and the wheels, and it'll be painted hopefully by then. So thank you all for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Wave bye-bye, Wing Commander.